let's take a look at how we actually choose the keywords that we're going to target on our big money page and our small money page. You can of course use the Google Keyword Planner, but the ranges that they give you now are not very accurate. So one tool I like to use is this one from search.com, where it does still provide the accurate data. So let's get back to choosing big money terms. So let's just put in treadmill and let's see what comes up. By default it will sort by what's going to be worth the most. So I like to change it, sort by volume from highest to lowest. So we can see best treadmill, which is actually one of our main terms that we targeted on the example site. So best treadmill is there. We can see it gets 8,100 searches. With the keywords that we're going to be using for our big money pages, ideally you want more than 1,000 searches for each keyword. So what we're looking to do is to choose individual big money page keywords and other keywords that we can include on that same page that are related to the main one. So for example, if best treadmill is our big money keyword for one of our pages, we would search for other keywords that we can add to that page that are also related. So we can see best treadmill for home is a good one because it's revolving around best treadmill. Best home treadmill, another good one. Best treadmill 2015, probably not worth targeting, but best treadmill 2017 or 2018 would be worth targeting because we can rank even before the next year. So when people start searching for that, we would already have an established page with that keyword on. So that would be a good one. And all you would do is you'll continue searching down and pick out anywhere from 1 to 20 other keywords that you can get on that same page. So like best treadmill brands is another good one. But ideally the keywords that you'll be putting on those big pages will have a lot of search volume. And the way that you choose the small money page keywords is done exactly the same way. So what you would do for that is actually type in best treadmill and let's see what comes up. So again, a lot of these lower what we're looking for with these smaller page keywords are ones that aren't getting too many searches. So keywords like this one, best treadmill deals online, people are looking to buy because they're looking for a deal. So even though there's only a reported 10 searches, if we make a page on this and rank it, that's very targeted traffic. They're looking to buy a treadmill. So that would be one page I would make. Again, best treadmill for the home, that would be another page. And we just continue on and just see which of these would be relevant to best treadmill and which would be worth making a page on. So that's how one way of finding these small money page keywords. Another way is if we just head to Google and if we just type in best treadmill for and just see what Google shows us. So we've got best treadmill for running, best treadmill for home use, best treadmill for walking, best treadmill for bad knees. These would all be good keywords to target for individual pages that are underneath our best treadmill main big money page. So if we just carry on and if we just type a letter, so we've got best treadmill for apartment, best treadmill for small space, best treadmill for athletes, best treadmill for apartment living, we've kind of got there. So delete that, type B, best treadmill for beginners, best treadmill for bad back. All these will be excellent keywords to target under that category. If Google's telling us and suggesting these keywords, we know that they're getting at least some searches per month. So just continue through the alphabet. Best treadmill for cheap, for CrossFit, for condo, for cushioning. Again, go on to D. For desk, for dogs, for distance runners. All these are just really good keywords, and you can find them really quickly by doing this simple search. And just make a note of each one and create a page for each one, which will be linked to from your big money page. So your big money page will be targeting best treadmill, and then the small money pages will all be individual searches that you'll find via the keyword tool or just by doing searches in Google. Ideally, you want these big money pages to be at least 1,000 searches a month for the main terms that you're targeting. The small ones don't matter too much. If the keyword tool says it's getting at least 10 and the Google suggestion tool is saying that is bringing that a keyword up, then you know there's going to be searches for it. So all of them, as long as they're relevant to the big money page, then and has some buyer intent, ideally, then they're well worth making a page on. So that's basically how we choose the keywords for the site.